My name is Optimus Prime, and here is an awesome video review from Jesse. Now watch as he lights our darkest hour.
Welcome back to another Marvel Legends Infinite Series review. This time we're looking at the Blizzard figure from the Avengers Hulkbuster Build-A-Figure wave. This is the second Blizzard I've got. Like I said in my Hulkbuster video, I had to return the first one I got because the Build-A-Figure piece he came with was defective, and that pissed me off hardcore. The Build-A-Figure piece he came with wasn't on one of the arms. The Hulkbuster arm couldn't attach because I was missing those locking teeth. So I have a little bit of hate towards this character already, just because I had to get two of them just so I could complete a Hulkbuster, and it doesn't make me feel any better about this being a kind of a silly figure. This figure was supposed to come out a couple years ago in just the standard Marvel Legends wave, before it had a complete redesign and packaging and name. And it's a okay figure. I don't know anything about Blizzard, but the figure itself is based on the Bucky Cat mold with I believe what looks to be like a remolded Black Panther head. The face looks exactly the same, it just doesn't have the Black Panther ears. I believe it might be a Black Panther mode. I'm pretty sure it is. The paint job on this particular figure is pretty bad. I believe it looked better on the first one I had, but this one is not very good, and I will get in closer to see. You see that, like, especially on the side here, where it should be have really sharp lines, it's very smudgy. And I believe this was supposed to be, it's supposed to look more like this on this side, and right here it just cuts off suddenly. On his chest here on this side, one of the tips on the edges here was just cut off. The white paint on this side is pretty sloppy looking. You can see the blue plastic underneath, and you can see how it's missing some more of the blue paint right here. And yeah, it looks really sloppy in some spots. And got some marbleized looking white paint here, and the blue plastic here also looks marbly. I guess it kind of fits the idea of the character, but oh yeah, the blue paint on here should have got up a lot more. It's very uneven looking. It's quite a shame that this the boots look alright. Boots look like they tried on this particular figure, but the rest of it is pretty generic, and feels like it was just thrown in. But it's another use of the Bucky Cat mold, which is a good figure. As far as articulation goes, he does have a swivel ball jointed neck here, so you can look down at his armpit like this. Swivel elbow, yeah, that's his elbow. Swivel ankle, double hinged knee, rotating neck, his butt crunches, and he's got neck swivel here. He's got wrist swivel here in his thigh, which is stuck right here. His true elbow bend has 90-degree bend and can go forward a little bit, so it breaks his leg in half. And his ankles go up and down and side to side. So articulation wise, he's no surprise. He's great as far as articulation, because it is the same Bucky Cat mold that we've gotten so many times already. But it still doesn't help that, you know, this feels just like a figure that was thrown in just so they can fill in the gap and just so they can sell it, because they know people are going to buy it just for the Hulkbuster piece. That's true. And yeah, he's alright. If he had better paint, this particular one had better paint, then I would say it's a good figure, but it's just a decent figure. But you're going to get it if you're interested in Hulkbuster, because you need him, at least if you want to sell him later on. But yeah, you need to get him for Hulkbuster. And to get the Hulkbuster wave, you can click you could go to BigBadToyStore.com. You can click the link in the description below. You can follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/SSJAutobot. You can Instagram me too, SSJAutobot. And you can follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/SSJ_Autobot. And I'll catch you next time.